Ikot na tayo.
We're leaving this port.
Ikot na tayo. Makita yung... Kita niya. Okay. So next destination,
Exit the parking lot.
It's the another beach.
parking lot. Parang Warpman siya. Balik tayo dito.
Turn
Left
right.
We go back.
Turn right. In 300 meters, turn left.
Yan yung main road ng island of Miyagi. Turn left.
Turn left.
Okay.
Careful. Left.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers. In 1.5 kilometers, turn left.
1.5 kilometers. Yung pasok tayo dun, no? Uy, ganda ng road, oh. Then, straight ilang kilometer? 950, no? You follow this, Mai?
Yep.
900, okay. $800.
In 300 meters, turn left. 300 meters, turn left.
300 meters, turn left. Ito.
Yep.
Ito po, 150. Ito na.
Turn left, then turn left.
Ito na.
Turn left. Turn left. And then turn left again after 140.
Just this.
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
70, 60,
Ito.
50 here. Kafu Banta. Happy Cliff. Oh, it's a cliff. Laki nito. Big car.
It's Alphard. Yung luxury car nila.
Ganyan.
Ah. Chinese na pa na ano to. Uy, ganda to ah.
It's Miyagi Island. It's a Kafu Banta.
Pero ang parking, doon sa diretso
May
pa
parking
rin.
sa loob.
You have arrived.
You have arrived.
Salt factory. Wow.
Kafu Banta.
Maraming salt kaya dito. Uy. Parking sa loob. Destination na siya, no?
Yes, it's a destination.